They've given me the Face of the Year award, so it's really nice to get that. And it's a good, it shows appreciation for your work, so I'm very flattered with that. I am crossing my fingers to get it and it'll be nice. सबसे ज़्यादा stylish, I think Imran Khan has a very good sense of style because he dresses exactly the way he wants to and the way that he is. So I think it's really cool. Sona, absolutely, she's very stylish and she's a style icon, so it's great.
It's fantastic. I'm here for Nishka. I'm wearing a beautiful design by Nishka, and so I'm feeling really good. And it's great. I think Grazia is a great magazine, and I am a reader, so I'm here to support them, and I think it's going to be fun inside.
I'm really excited to win this award because I think it's very fitting for my clothes to win a Grazia award. It is about everyday wear, which makes a girl feel very confident, and you can wear it in many ways. So I'm really excited to get this award today. She's wearing a gold t-shirt and high-waisted pajama pants, which are from my latest collection, and it is very easily glamorous, and you can wear it, you can feel very comfortable and confident in it. So she is wearing something from my new collection.
I think my fashion tip would be, like I said, I really like Nishka's style, and that's exactly what my style also is, very casual and very effortlessly chic. And so I just feel that never try too hard, never try to ape anyone, because that's when you make a fool of yourself. So just be yourself and keep it simple.
I think fashion and Bollywood are they go hand in hand. So I'm looking forward to seeing who all they have today, and I think new talent is always exciting, especially for us, because I think it's good to grow with the talent that you have in your generation, and I think that's fun. I guess it is essential. मुझे बहुत actually भारी लगता है कि constantly news में कुछ ना कुछ हो, लोग आपके बारे में बात करते रहें. I think it can get उसकी mystery निकल जाती है from a person. So I like to keep the mystery of a person alive, because even in the audience's minds that's more exciting. But I think it is one of the necessary evils of our industry today. Yeah. I'm very comfortable, and I'm really glad that Nikhil ने मुझे ऐसा कोई outfit दिया that fits me and that suits my body and my personality.
Very privileged to get this title. It's called The Center Stage, and I'm really glad for 2-year-old brand and label to get acknowledged.
And it's his first award.
First award ever. So yeah, I'm very excited, and thank you for being by my side.
Thank you. I think Deepika, I really like how Deepika is always dressed. I don't think so. ज़रूरी नहीं है. विद्या बालन एक बहुत successful actress हैं, और उनके by her own admission she says she doesn't understand fashion. So and she's still so celebrated and so successful. So I don't think कि pressure अपने आप पे हम खुद ही create करते हैं. तो अगर if you are interested in fashion तो आप follow करें. अगर आप नहीं हैं तो आप बस अपना काम करें, acting करें. Academics में India strong है. हम उस education को हर class तक पहुँचाने में strong नहीं है. It's something that we have to strive for, that every child in this country should be educated, चाहे वो लड़की हो या लड़का. ये ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि एजुकेशन की डिसेमिनेशन कैसे हो, ना कि सिर्फ कि हम प्रोफेशनल एजुकेशन में कैसे अपग्रेड करते रहें. आई लाइक कंगना. शी इज़ वेरी स्टाइलिश, शी इज़ वेरी spunky, she knows what looks good on her, she follows the trends, and she's almost always impeccable. I really like her style.